guys, welcome to In the Fields with me, Zack. Today we are in our Kerman variety field. We start harvest, here we are. So things are going very smoothly right now. We started about a week ago, so our holer and plant has been running for about 7 days now. Let's talk about the crop. So far, quality is excellent. We're not seeing any issues right now in regards to stain or insect or anything like that. Things are looking superb. Kudos to our growers. They're doing very well to protect this year's crop. Crop size though, as far as the amount, quantity is expected to be lower than last year, which we all knew. So at what number that's going to be at, to be determined, but definitely it's going to be lower than last year. Our number is between 1 billion and 1.2 billion pounds. I know that's kind of broad, but that's what we're sticking with right now. As far as crop, the size of the nut, it's kind of a wide range. We're seeing some good size on different fields. Golden Hills are looking like they're having a somewhat better size compared to the Kermans, but it's more of a wide range. So we'll see, we'll kind of have everything from 1820s all the way down to the little guys. So it's not as consistent as it was last year. But anyways, this is a Kerman field. Obviously these aren't ready to go. They're still what we call green. They're still hard and they're not quite ready to be picked. See how that was kind of hard to pull off. So obviously we're easily probably 2 weeks out on the Kermans, but there are some that are getting ready. You can see in this cluster right here, this beautiful cluster, see how easy that one came off? So what I'll show you is, you know, once you get at least 50 to 60% of your field with nuts ready to go like this, then you know it's time to harvest. And there's your split and shell pistachio right there. So as you can tell, there's not much in this cluster that's ready to go and easy to slip off like that. So that's telling us at least 10 to 14 days until we start shaking in this field. But like I said, crop quality is looking good right now. You know, I am farming these trees here and taking care of these trees, but also my other part of the job obviously is doing grow relations. And right now I'm going to all our growers that are currently harvesting, checking on quality, ensuring that they have everything they need as far as trailers, bins, whatever is needed to get the crop to us for processing. I'll be pounding the pavement for most of these days and checking on quality especially. But from what I see from all the fields, so far so good. Everything's looking great. But yeah, in the field, we're just kind of keeping the water on these trees, making sure they're all happy for harvest. And other than that, just kind of waiting on things to turn on us so we can start shaking. So the next video, I'm sure we'll show you when we're harvesting and kind of show you how things are coming off the tree. In the next video, you'll see when I do this, all these nuts are going to come off and just drop to the ground. You can tell these are really green. They're not ready to go. Nothing's coming off except for a couple here and there. So anyways, that's it for now. Until next time, it's Zack in the Fields signing off. Thank you.